Okay, but there. Listen to me here, Marka. Today Marka will tell us shapes. Let's start.
This is circle, and this is square, and this is triangle, and this is
What's that?
rectangle, and this is oval, and this is diamond, and this is pentagon, and this is hexagon, and this is cube, and this is
Forgot. Cylinder.
cylinder.
John, you missed two more.
Two.
Yeah.
This is
How many sides does it have? Count it. Yeah, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. How many sides does the octopus has? I mean legs. How many legs does an octopus has? 8 legs, right? Then what's the name of this? Octopus. Oc. That means 8.
Octagon.
Oh, octagon. Then the last one?
Trapegon.
Oh, trapegon, trapezium. So, let me ask you another question. How many sides does the pentagon have? Yeah. Oh, then how many sides does the hexagon have? Yeah, hexagon. Oh, yeah, that one. Go count it. How many sides?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. I'm going to say numbers with my puppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
39.
40,
Yeah.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71.
Look, count it.
70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Oh, wow. Who teach you all these numbers?
No one is teach me.
Oh, no one.
Yeah.
You just learn it by yourself?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
You are my boy.